Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with a how to download video because I've seen just an enormous amount of comments in my videos asking how to download or just saying that my websites don't work or my links aren't working. But yeah, I'm here with just to answer all those questions and show you exactly what to do. It'll be a step-by-step process and it'll be fairly easy to do, guys. All right, the first thing you want to do is just select one of my videos and just click the description. All my links will always be in my description or in my pinned comments. And just scroll down until you see where it says downloads, and it's going to be my website. Just go ahead and click that. And it's going to give you an option here, and I just used a default browser app, so just go ahead and do that as well. And it'll take you straight to my website. And then you're just going to press the projects button. And it'll take you to Radium's Armament, or the projects page, and then just press Radium's Armament, and boom, you're on the correct page. Now, I've seen so many comments saying that certain things aren't working. Please read this about right here in the v1.2. I put warning signs like this needs to be in a certain in 1.19.81, and then all the experimental features right there that you should have toggled for this add-on to work properly. Yeah, just scroll down all until you see downloads. It's pretty self-explanatory, and if you want to play the older versions, just keep scrolling down and you see the older versions right there, v1.1 and then v1.0. But since we'll just go over v1.2 for now, and I'm just going to click the template just because why not. And yeah, just make sure you're not a robot. Just click that little checkbox. All right, now we're on the Boostellar web page here, and I typically just go to the ad first, so just click the ad. It's going to say wait 15 seconds on the article or link that you pick, so just click visit page, and you're going to see all this stuff here, and just click see it. That's all you have to do. So let's see, which one do I want to see? It doesn't really matter. Let's look at the dryers. Why not? Wow, amazing. Opt out. And you just have to sit here for like 15 seconds, I believe is what it is. So let's just kind of chill here for a little bit. I don't know how long it's been, but let's just see and wait. And then boom, just go back to, so on iPhones at least, you just click that bottom right little icon that looks like two squares, and that's how you open up all your other tabs. And just return to Boostellar after you've waited there for 15 seconds like it told you to do. And then the same thing for the like, comment, or subscribe button. You just click that, it will take you to my YouTube page. And you just have to sit here like for 15 to 20 seconds, however long. I'm assuming it's the same duration as the ads itself. I'm pretty positive websites can't actually detect you subscribing, liking, or commenting. So yeah, you just have to wait here, guys. I know that's where probably people got stuck. But yeah, that's all you have to do. And then once you're done, you see the top left, it says Safari. Just click that and return to the website. Oh, I guess I didn't wait long enough. So just sit here for a little bit. I mean, you might as well just like something since we're waiting here. I mean, there's not much else to do. You can go ahead and do that. But yeah, it's like I said, that I'm pretty positive that Boostellar or any website for that matter cannot detect you actually liking, subscribing, or anything like that. And then boom, see, just had to wait, just had to be patient, guys. That's all you had to do. And now you're ready to unlock it. And so you just press the unlock button. Oh, it looks like I got a ad. Don't panic, guys, when you see that. That's just your phone. They're just trying to get you to click on something shady. But yeah, just exit out of that by clicking the two little boxes there. Actually, I've never seen that before. That was odd. But yeah, so now you're on the Mediafire page here. And you just click the download button. And click download again. And you see on the bottom left side of my, what do you call that? It's like it says A and then A, and there's like a little arrow. Just click that, and you'll see the downloads button. So just click the downloads, and then boom, you see it right there. And it'll take you to your downloads. For me, it's the iCloud drive, or whatever device you're using, it's going to take you to wherever it stores your files. And just clicking on that will immediately open up Minecraft, guys. And it should just immediately download. So let's just wait here a second while it opens up Minecraft. I should probably mention, because I've seen some people comment about this, if your download has a .zip attached to it, all you have to do is just delete that .zip from the file itself. So if you like edit the name or whatever, you just delete that .zip. So that's all you need to do, and it will open up, like once you click it, it will open up Minecraft from right after that. And we should see a little icon up here at the top. Import started. Successfully imported Radium's armament v1.12. Now, I selected the template. So if you selected a template and you see it and you don't see any worlds or anything like that, you just gotta create new, guys, and then you scroll down. And you see it's under imported templates, and you're just gonna select mine. You're just gonna select that. Just give it a second to load, and then boom, guys, it's all there. The template will have the packs required to play, and that's all it is, guys. That's all it is to it, and you can just go ahead and play. All right, here's how to do it on the PC here. So just go to one of my videos, like beforehand. Click one of these. Pause the ad, let's not watch any of that. And yeah, just go to the description there. Scroll down till you see downloads again. Click on my website, it'll take you straight to my website. And just go to projects. Radium's Armament, bam, you're right there. There's a little bit more ads on PC, so sorry, but they are. But yeah, so let's go to, how about the RP? So just go ahead and click on that. It'll take you straight to Boostellar. And just click on an ad. Wait for 15 seconds again. It's pretty much the same process, guys. So see, oh, there was no see it there. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me go back. Oh, there is a see it there, but yeah, let's just go on that. If there's no see it, just click on one of the links there, and it should be the same thing. So just wait here for a little bit, 15 seconds. Putting in some vitamins and stuff. Some Walgreens, booster health. Probably could use a boost in my health, I'm not gonna lie. See if we're good. Yep, we're all good. So there's the ad, and then go to hit the subscribe button. And it's gonna say to subscribe. I guess it can detect. I'm not sure, but you don't have to subscribe. Like, I can't subscribe to my own channel. See, it says sorry, something went wrong. Okay, let me mute that. So something went wrong there. I can't even subscribe. So people saying that, like, oh, you subscribed or something like that, you just have to wait, guys. You just have to be patient. That's all you have to do. So just wait here for a little bit. Like I said, like 15 to 20 seconds, maybe even 30 seconds. I don't know. Let's see. Should I go back? It looks like it's done. Yep, see, it's all done, guys. And then you just unlock content, and you're gonna get slapped in the face, I guess. This is new. Like I said, I just saw it on my mobile for the first time. I guess they spam you with another ad really quick, and you're just gonna close that and then return. Just like in your other tabs, you'll see the Mediafire tab there, and just click the download button, and it will pop up in the top right over there. And just click it and we'll import. I already have it installed, so I'm probably gonna see an error on my Minecraft. But you guys, if you don't have it downloaded, you won't see any errors. It will just be automatically uploaded, and then that's all it is to it, guys. It's that simple. I just noticed it automatically put something in my downloads. I have no idea what this is. The MSI. Obviously that doesn't sound right. Do not download that. That might be some shady stuff. I have no idea. I'm gonna talk to Boostellar about that and see what the heck is going on. But yeah, do not download that. It's a little sketchy too, because this is 145 megabytes. But yeah, just delete that. Just ignore that, and then download my MC add-on there, and you guys are all set. Yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. I hope this video was informative and was helpful for anyone who was struggling to download my add-on here. I know the ads suck and whatnot, but it's a little bit of compensation for, you know, me spending hundreds of hours making this free add-on for you guys. And of course, if you want to contribute a little more by supporting me, of course, go ahead and join the membership button. I started a YouTube membership, and you just hit that little join button. There's a tier 1. It's $1 per month, and this tier is basically, I'm gonna make polls, and you guys will basically decide what I add next, and my patrons will give me direct suggestions on what to put in those polls, and we'll like actually discuss like what would be the best option to do that, or like what to add. And that's just that would be my tier 3 of my Patreon. So you scroll down, you see the deciders here, and this is what gives you the opportunity to have your input and your ideas added to whatever it is I'm working on, which right now is obviously Radium's armament. And for a good amount of time, it's going to be Radium's armament. But yeah, that's to show some love from you guys, and I'll obviously show the love back. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you have a good one. See you later.